Hello, my name is Alistair Lobo and I am the application expert for Pro Structures at Bentley Systems. In today's video, I will demonstrate how to create an iModel from ProSteel. iModels are a currency of information exchange. iModels share all the component information, including business properties, geometry, graphics, and relationships, in a format that is open, providing standard interfaces for business, engineering, construction, and operations applications from multiple vendors. In iModel creation, an iModel file is created along with an I.DGN file. However, you can skip the iModel creation if you do not need it, but the I.DGN file will be created. To create an iModel, first navigate to the backstage by clicking on File. Then, click on Publish iModel. Now, in the Publish iModels dialog box, in the Package Settings tab, you can set up the iModel details such as target folder path that will define where your iModels will get published. Here, select the folder and then you can choose the path. You can also set a protection and similarly choose to create the version of iModel. Once you have set up all required parameters, click on the Publish button. The iModels will then get created at the target location which you have selected. Now we will open the iModel file in Bentley Navigator for review. As can be seen, the iModel is a correct replica of the original model and can be checked for its properties and levels, as well as it can be used for clash detection in the Bentley Navigator application too. iModels are read-only and hence are a secure source of information and the best way to share structural model information without compromise of data. To check for the ProStructures data, just select the part and click on the Properties button. All the ProStructures properties for the part will show up. Here you can check the group data, length, material, shape class, shape catalog, position number and weight. After this, we will now open the I.DGN file created while publishing of the iModel package in Bentley View to check for its properties and review the same. As seen, the model has retained all original information from the parent application, that is ProSteel, and the same can be reviewed by checking the element properties. So, the created iModels are geometrically precise, retain all the business information. These iModels are open and a variety of applications, plugins and interfaces are available for viewing, query and integration. iModels are flexible and can be transformed to conform to a specific standard or to incorporate data from sources outside of the design environment. So this is how you can create an iModel from ProSteel and then review the same for clashes and review in other applications. If you have any questions, please type them in the comment section below or contact the Bentley Technical Support. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can be alerted to new videos in the series.